Hey, welcome to the Wood and Metal Shop. Today I've got a very special project and a collaboration with a very special young lady wood turner from the UK. Her name is Caitlan, and she has a YouTube channel called Caitlan the Cat. She has a wonderful idea of a collaboration with other wood turners and or makers by making a small ring or hoop, videoing the process, sending her the hoop where she's going to put them all together and make one long chain. Plus, she's going to take the video that you send her and make one big collaboration video. I'm going to post a link to her YouTube video where she explains the whole thing, plus the details on how to make the ring, plus where to send it. So if you want to get in on this collaboration, I have the links posted down below. Go show her some love and support and get in on this collaboration and help her out. So let's get on with this. Caitlan said that we can use any material we want in making this hoop, and we can finish it in any way we want. So I'm using a piece of maple. I have it on the worm screw on the chuck, but she is very specific as to the size. So the inside diameter has to be 90 millimeters, outside diameter is 100 millimeters, and the width has to be 20 millimeters. Well, here you go, Caitlin, another ring for your project. I really enjoyed helping you with this project, and I hope you get a lot more makers helping you with it too. And you know what? Somehow I think you will. So I'm going to be sending this off to you real soon. And for everyone else watching, make sure you go and check out Caitlan's YouTube channel and her Instagram. I'm going to post a link down below for that. Also, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment or a question, and also don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell if you haven't done so already. Also, please share. It'll not only help me, but it'll help Caitlan as well with her project. And my social media links are posted down below, so go and check them out because I have updates going on there constantly for projects that are coming up. So, until the next time, take care.